Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's been now a week since I've been using now the new PowerBeats Pro. So they're finally out. If you were lucky enough, of course, to pre-order them on day one, they shipped out the pretty much the following week. And I finally got mine earlier this week, so I've been using it now for over a week. And I think that's enough time for me to give you my thoughts on what I think about the product. So first off, let's start with what do you get in the box. So first time when you unbox it, of course, when you open it up, you'll see the first thing is the case, and inside the case are the Power Pro Beats. And then after that, there's a little hatch under that, which comes with the lightning cable to charge the case as well. And then what's awesome is you'll get some ear tips. So you could customize these ear tips depending on the size of your ear, the formation of your ear. So this time, not the only difference, of course, from the AirPods is that it's only one size and one design for the ear that works. So if your ear does not work with the AirPods design, then you're out of luck. They'll probably fall out. And so yeah, but what's awesome with these ones are, of course, are the customizable ear tips. So there'll probably be one that maybe might fit you and it will just stay on as well. And of course, under that is the manual as well. And what's also awesome is you'll get a Power Beats sticker as well with the logo on it. So you can stick it on anywhere you want, wherever your heart contents. So yeah, that's pretty much it on what's inside the box. So the one of the biggest difference, of course, you'll notice, of course, is the charging case. It's a little big if you're coming from an AirPods user, or if yeah, so AirPods user, it's a little big comparing it to the AirPods and to the case of the Power Beats Pro. You'll see a big difference, and you'll see the difference, of course, in your pocket if you want to put the charging case in your pocket. And if you have tight jeans or just small pockets, then you're gonna have hard trouble probably fitting that case inside there. So what do I think about the Power Beats Pro? They are awesome. They sound fantastic. So the last Beats product that I owned were the Beats X, which I loved. I used them for like 2 years until I could not use them no more, until they finally broke down on me and I had to throw them out because, well, they wouldn't work no more. So these, of course, if you know Beats, of course, you'll know that it comes with like some heavy bass inside. So if you like that, then which I do, then you're gonna love these because they sound amazing. So yeah, they sound fantastic. Great sound. I think they even sound a little better than the AirPods. It's not noise cancellation or anything like that, but it's just that, of course, the ear tips, what it comes with, I guess, helps it to just block a little bit more the noise coming from the outside, so you can actually hear that sound coming out of those earphones, which is just fantastic. Another thing which I really like, of course, is the design of these PowerBeats Pro is the ear, not like the stuff that goes around your ear, I guess ear hook or something like that, I could call it, which is just amazing because every time I wore my AirPods, of course, I was nervous that maybe one day they'll fall over, or maybe when I'm putting up my hoodie or putting it down, it'll get hooked on it and it will just slide down my AirPods, and then there they go, and maybe I might not notice it that they fell, or I just might lose them. But with the ear hook, of course, which goes around your ear, you'll have no worries of them falling off because, well, they're hooked onto your ear, which is just fantastic for me because that gives me a sense of security that they're not going nowhere. So yeah, it's just really, really great. Next, of course, is these are the first Beats that come with the H1 chip, which is the design that which is a chip that you can also find on the AirPods 2. So the H1 chip, of course, comes with hands-free Siri, and yes, hands-free Siri does come with the Beats Power Pro, with the PowerBeats Pro. So yeah, it's just really awesome. I love hands-free Siri just because I can ask it anything I want without having to take out my phone, without having to touch or tap on the buttons of these earphones. Another big difference, of course, you'll notice is there's buttons on them. So on the AirPods, there's no buttons, so touch control if you want it like that. I never used the touch control just because they never really worked when I tried it. So I was happy to see that they're using buttons. So there's 3 buttons. There's 2 for volume up and volume down. And then of course, there's a middle button on the Beats logo, which helps you to play or pause, to summon Siri. If you don't want to say, if you don't want to hands-free Siri, you can still hold and touch and you'll summon Siri from there, which is just great if you're into that. But what's also awesome is not just one earphone has the buttons, the other one as well. So you could, so if you're busy with one hand, maybe carrying grocery bags or something, you can still control the volume or summon Siri or whatever you want from there, which is just really awesome. So yeah, my thoughts is that if you're an athlete, or even if you're not an athlete, like I'm not an athlete or anything like that, then you're gonna love these because, well, they sound amazing. You'll have that sense of security that they won't fall off because of that air hook. The H1 chip, so hands-free Siri. The battery life is just freaking amazing, much more than the AirPods as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're still wanting to pre-order these, since, well, not pre-order them, but have them in order, then I recommend you guys check them out. But if you don't like the design, then go with the AirPods or go with other types of awesome third-party earphones out there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thumbs up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.